All right, congratulations, Nori, Mon, and Amnesty. I'm happy that I'm able to help you guys, Wale Lawal, to buy your investment property for Nori and your primary residence for Mon. So, what is your overall experience like working with me, Wale Lawal, as your realtor, as your mentor on this one?
Wale helped us find a great deal, actually, help us from securing the property until closing. And hopefully, we'll be able to list it soon so we can move on to our next property again with Wale.
That's
Thank
good.
you, Wale.
Thank you. So, what about the communication?
Wale is always on top of everything, always follows up, push me to the deadline, really. With my work, I always forget things, and he's always checking on me if I did communications with the lender, with the closing title, the title company, and also the builder.
The builder as well. Okay, what about you, Mon? You got 4.0 interest rate, and you brought about 10,200 to the closing table, and you're also sharing the moment with your parents, your mom and your dad here, and you're also buying the house at the age of 23, bro. So what do you have to say to that?
Honestly, it all feels so surreal at the moment. I am also thankful for Wally for being there every step of the way, so communicative and great advice giver for the wisdom, the knowledge that he has happened. So I'm very thankful to him for being there for every step of the way.
That's good. What about you're saving a lot of money by getting 4.0 interest rate. Your mom bought investment property, she's getting 7.3. How do you feel with that?
Well, I think I need to step up my game. No, but it's all very good news and very good blessing for all of us to be able to venture in this type of industry. So little steps with big plan.
It's good. All thanks to your mom again, like I've been saying. So what do you have to tell like a 23-year-old kid that just playing around that doesn't want to mess with real estate? What will you tell them?
Take every step of the way that you need to, as long as you have your clear goal in mind and the hard work and the work ethic to do it. Anything is possible.
That's good, man. Congratulations, my friend.